Hi guys, I think so many of you are preparing for Civil Services Prelims Examination 2024 which is about to be conducted in the month of May on 26th. From our side, from ANALOG IAS Academy, we are starting a series of sessions called as a Prelims Master Guidance Programme, wherein every subject in prelims like polity, economy, geography, history, subject-specific approach to crack prelims examination would be discussed. That means the concerned faculty would try to give you a strategy to crack 2024, that is this year prelims exam, based on the previous question papers, the kind of questions that were asked in a given subject, and what kind of questions that we can expect for this year examination regarding that concerned subject. For example, if we take economy, till last year we used to get 12 to 15 questions from Indian economy. This year also, assuming that we'll be getting 12 to 15 questions, then what should be your approach to crack all these 12 to 15 questions in Indian economy? A subject-specific teacher would come and discuss with you guys, and if at all you have any questions on that also, it can be asked to the teacher and teacher will directly answer your questions. And one important thing here is that there's so many students who are really good at mains exam, writing mains answer, writing descriptive answers, but all these guys or most of these guys are not so good at cracking prelims. And this initiative from ANALOG IAS Academy is exclusively meant for those people who want to crack prelims examination in 2024 exam. In this regard, the first session is going to be conducted tomorrow on 12th of January 2024 in the evening 4 p.m. and it will be a 1.5 hour session, and the teacher will discuss about the strategy and you can ask your doubts as well. And it is an offline session for all ANALOG IAS students, wherein any other student, a non-analog student, can attend this session free of cost in the live telecast in YouTube. So I request all students to utilize this opportunity, and for further updates, follow our ANALOG IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.